What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have a product from Gearbest website. If you guys don't know who is Gearbest, you guys should definitely check the link in the video description. Now the product we have here, Alfawise B2 RGB mechanical keyboard, and today real quick we'll test this keyboard and basically show you guys how this keyboard perform, and also we'll just go through some of the RGB option this keyboard has. Now I do like the fact this keyboard have the number pad, because for me number pad is very important, and this keyboard does come with 104 keys, so the number pad is included. The build quality is pretty good. It's not all that bad now compared to Corsair K70. Now Corsair K70 is an expensive keyboard, the better build quality, but for the budget I think this keyboard has a pretty good build quality. This keyboard does come with Autumn blue switch. The Autumn blue switch responds real fast but a bit louder, so if you can bear with the loudness then you should be fine. But other than that, it doesn't feel cheap when you click in. It does feel pretty good. Now you do have your 5 macro programmable key. You can program those 5 macro key, and also you have your record key right there. The keyboard also have the media control key, including with volume, the mute, and then we have like forward and rewind and play button. And I personally like the volume rocker, great for while gaming. And of course, who doesn't like the window lock key? I always use the window lock key. And yes, this keyboard does come with stands. If you like the stand, you can use it. I personally don't use the stand. I just like my keyboard like flat while I'm playing my favorite game, Overwatch. And yes, this keyboard does come with a long cable. So if you are a cable management freak, here we go. This keyboard does come with a long cable. And for the ballers, there is a gold plated USB. Okay, so you guys wanted quality, here we go. Alright guys, so real quick, let's just check out some of the RGB option this keyboard have, because I know you guys love RGB. Make sure when you unbox the Alfawise keyboard, when you receive from Gearbest, make sure you do not throw away this Alfawise manual, because if you do throw this away, you're just going to miss out on some of the option. So you guys can see there is like bunch of settings here you can go through. You can do a lot of fun stuff with this keyboard, so make sure you keep this paper. So let me show you guys some of the options I like. The first thing, whenever I'm gaming like Overwatch, Fortnite, or CSGO, I make sure I don't forget to lock the window key. So FN plus window key, and that's it. The window key is locked, so whenever you are gaming and you are in like crazy mood, you don't get kicked out of the game. Now let me show you guys some of the RGB option I like. So FN plus INS basically will give you like the trial look of the keyboard, like the color, different color. Now if you press FN plus INS again, basically we'll just breathe through colors. You will just go through one color after one and show you like different colors. Now if you press FN plus home, you can see every time I'm pressing the keys, colors are just like going all over. All right, if you press FN plus home again, and you'll just light up each key I'm just pressing. And also I believe with the FN plus space, you can change the pattern. And let's just look at some of the random stuff. So FN plus page up, you can see basically with FN plus page up, you can change like the style of the RGB light layout. And then if we go to FN plus delete, you can see again change FN plus and wow, that looks really nice. But you can also basically change the brightness with the volume rocker. And then if you don't like any of this setting and you want to go back to like the factory setting, you can press FN plus print, and basically it will reset all the setting. Alright, so let's real quick jump in a game. Let's play Overwatch and see how this keyboard feels, okay, while playing real game. So time for testing. Okay, so basically I'll play Overwatch and give you guys my thought, and basically I'll see how this keyboard perform. The volume rocker does work really nice, and also I did lock the window key. So right now window key is locked. so I'm not gonna get kicked out while I'm gaming and I'm going crazy. So let's just play, quick play Overwatch and give you guys my thoughts, right? Okay, I definitely like the way the key feels. It's a bit loud, I guess. The blue keys are a bit loud. But very responsive. Like, response time is very good. Very good response time. Compared to like Corsair K70 I had, I think this one feels a little better. Now I had the Corsair K70, the regular one, not the RGB, so alright, so we're basically jumping into a real game. So quick gameplay. I'll choose Junkrat. By the way, all these keys have like anti-ghosting, and also I do like the RGB on the side. It looks really nice, you guys can see. One thing I do like about this keyboard, basically the way, like the build quality and the way the keyboard looks is really good. Alright, let's not waste any more time and let's just test this keyboard, because that's what you guys want to see, right? Alright guys, now that I'm done testing, so I can give you guys my thoughts real quick. I play Overwatch like more than an hour, and so basically I got to test this keyboard while playing Overwatch. The keyboard does respond real fast. Okay, the 3 millisecond response time is really there. It does respond really fast. I can feel the difference versus Corsair K70. Now that's the older keyboard, and this keyboard I feel like responds even faster than Corsair K70. I think Alfawise did a great job building this keyboard, especially the build quality. It's not a plastic build keyboard. It's a very solid build quality. And another thing I do like the Autumn blue switches, but the only problem, the blue switches are a bit louder. If you live by yourself and you are playing gaming and stuff, it's okay. But if you have like a roommate or somebody sleeping next to you, or just like trying to study or whatever, and you, maybe they get a little annoying. But if you don't care, I think the Autumn blue switches, key switches are very responsive and very good. Now, only thing I think they're missing, I know that's a budget keyboard and I think I'm asking too much right now. Maybe like a wrist rest, just a, like a cheap wrist rest, if they can add in a version 3. I think that will basically, let wires basically jump into this keyboard just because of wrist rest, because you do need a wrist rest sometime when you're playing games for hours and hours. Your wrist will get tired. Overall, I think this keyboard is a great keyboard if you're looking for a budget keyboard for playing like Fortnite, Overwatch, CSGO, or any other game you like. And what I like also, all these keys have like anti-ghosting for rapid response, so that's one thing I do look forward to. And then you have your 5 macro keys that you can program to also. And then what else I like about basically all this RGB option, guys. So if you guys like RGB, this keyboard is crazy. Like, you can go through all these settings. Like, look at that, Also, I like the fact that this keyboard does come with the number pad. So basically, if you're someone who's like gamer and also like you do professional work, most of the professional work, you do need this number pad. Like if you're an accountant, if whoever you are, if you're a programmer, most of the time you do need this, and I really appreciate that. Overall, I think this keyboard is a great keyboard for the budget. I think for the money, it's a great keyboard. I think I'll buy this keyboard. If I was looking for a keyboard like under $60, under $50-$60, I'll definitely go for Alfawise V2 RGB keyboard. Like I said, I do like the RGB option. If you guys have any question, leave in the comment below. I'll also leave the link in the video description for where you can buy like the Gearbest website and also the product Alfawise product keyboard link. And that should be it, guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next one. Peace.